Hey guys, today in this video, I'll tell you about Stripe versus Lemonsqueezy. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Whether you're a developer looking to integrate a payment gateway seamlessly or a business owner seeking a reliable and scalable payment solution, I'll guide you through the technical intricacies. So, let's delve into the details and explore what sets Stripe and Lemonsqueezy apart. Firstly, Stripe is a widely used payment processing platform known for its ease of integration. It supports a variety of payment methods, including credit cards, debit cards, and digital wallets. Stripe offers features such as recurring billing, invoicing, and subscription management. Developers appreciate Stripe's extensive documentation, APIs, and SDKs, making it easy to customize payment flows and integrate with existing systems. On the other hand, Lemonsqueezy is a newer entrant in the payment processing space, offering a simplified solution for small businesses and entrepreneurs. It focuses on providing a straightforward user experience with minimal setup requirements. Lemonsqueezy supports basic payment methods like credit and debit cards, but may lack some of the advanced features offered by Stripe. While Lemonsqueezy may be easier to set up for non-technical users, it may not be as suitable for businesses with complex payment processing needs. Stripe operates on a pay-as-you-go pricing model with no setup fees or monthly charges. Users are charged a small percentage fee per transaction, which varies depending on factors such as transaction volume and payment method. While Stripe's fees may be higher for certain types of transactions, its flexibility and scalability make it a popular choice for businesses of all sizes. Lemonsqueezy may offer simpler pricing structures compared to Stripe, with fewer fees and transparent pricing plans. However, Lemonsqueezy's pricing model may be less flexible or customizable compared to Stripe, particularly for businesses with high transaction volumes or specific payment processing requirements. Businesses should carefully evaluate Lemonsqueezy's pricing structure to ensure it aligns with their budget and needs. Stripe offers a vast ecosystem of third-party integrations and plugins, allowing businesses to extend its functionality and integrate with other tools and services. It supports integrations with popular e-commerce platforms, accounting software, CRM systems, and more. This extensive integration support makes Stripe a versatile choice for businesses looking to streamline their operations and leverage additional functionalities. Lemonsqueezy may have a smaller ecosystem of integrations compared to Stripe, given its relative newcomer status in the market, while Lemonsqueezy may offer integrations with key platforms and tools. Businesses should assess whether its integration options meet their specific needs and requirements. As Lemonsqueezy continues to grow and expand its ecosystem, it may become a more viable option for businesses seeking integrated payment solutions. Stripe offers comprehensive customer support through various channels, including email, chat, and documentation resources. Its support team is known for being responsive and helpful in resolving issues and answering inquiries promptly. Additionally, Stripe provides extensive documentation, developer resources, and community forums to assist users in troubleshooting and optimizing their usage of the platform. Lemonsqueezy may offer customer support through email or chat, but the availability and responsiveness of its support team may vary. Given its focus on simplicity and ease of use, Lemonsqueezy may provide more basic support options compared to Stripe. Businesses should consider their support needs and preferences when evaluating Lemonsqueezy as a payment processing solution. In summary, both Stripe and Lemonsqueezy offer payment processing solutions tailored to different needs and preferences. Stripe is a mature and feature-rich platform suitable for businesses of all sizes and with advanced features, extensive integrations, and comprehensive support options. Lemonsqueezy, on the other hand, focuses on simplicity and ease of use, making it a suitable choice for small businesses and entrepreneurs seeking a straightforward payment processing solution. So that's basically all about Stripe versus Lemonsqueezy. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.